Good afternoon, ma'am. The topic for the biology presentation TA2 that I've chosen is Introduction to Metabolism. My name is Kajal Shukla, roll number 2019 10 10 111 group of 7 1. What main objective of my presentation is to understand the concept of metabolic pathway, identify types and characters of metabolic pathway, that is anabolic and catabolic, and to identify ATP as the energy currency of cell, and the last, understand the transport of major metabolic fuel, that is to be glucose. First of all, let's see what is a metabolism is. All the chemical reactions taking place inside a cell are collectively known as metabolism. Metabolic pathways are chemical reaction organized in multi-step sequences where the product of one reaction of the pathway serves as substrate of the subsequent reaction. Most pathways can be classified as anabolic, that is synthetic, or catabolic, that is degenerative. Integrated pathways is known as metabolism in short. The functions of metabolism are to obtain energy from fuel molecules, to convert nutrients into precursors of cellular components, and to assemble precursors utilizing energy into cellular components. Basic differences between catabolism and anabolism are: in catabolism, breaks down the big complex molecules into smaller, easier to absorb molecules, whereas in anabolism, it builds molecules required for the body's functionality. In catabolism, the process of catabolism always releases energy, whereas in anabolism, the process requires energy. In catabolism, potential energy is changed into kinetic energy, and in anabolism, kinetic energy is converted into potential energy. In catabolism, it is required to perform different activities in living entities, whereas in anabolism, it requires for maintenance, growth, and storage. This is the simple diagram of catabolic pathway, which is being distributed in three stages. First, stage 1, where hydrolysis of complex molecules to their component building blocks. Stage 2, conversion of building blocks to acetyl CoA or simple intermediate. Stage 3, oxidation of acetyl oxidative for phosphorylation. In this, basically protein, polysaccharides and lipids, which is our complex molecules, convert into amino acids, monosaccharides, glycerol, fatty acids respectively. Then these are later on convert into acetyl CoA, and these are later perform or gives us energy in the form of ATP. This is basically the catabolic pathway. Now, here is the chemical energy diagram of both catabolism as well as anabolism. Here, nutrients, first in catabolism, nutrients like these carbohydrates, fats, proteins are converted into our ATP products, like hydrogen gives energy in the form of H2, water, carbon dioxide, and ammonia, NH3 nitrate. And whereas in anabolism, that is endergonic reductive energonic reaction, in which precursor molecules convert into macromolecules with the help of energy. They require energy, and whereas in catabolism, they provide energy, give energy. This is a short diagram in which the difference is clearly visible to all of us. And then now ATP. ATP is the energy currency of the cell. As we all know, ATP provides energy to each cell of an organism. Then the free energy liberated in the hydrolysis of ATP is used to drive the endergonic reactions. ATP is formed from ADP and P when fuel molecules are oxidized. This ATP-ADP cycle is the fundamental mode of energy exchange in biological system. These go on, and therefore we get our energy from ATP. Now, oxidation and reduction. Simply, oxidation is loss of hydrogen and loss of electrons, whereas reduction is gain of hydrogen and gain of electrons. This was all about the presentation. Thank you.